With TrashFlow's most recent update, all users now have access to a powerful feature, Access Control. Designed to enhance security and streamline operations, Access Control allows you to create and customize user accounts based on roles and responsibilities within your business. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Access Control in TrashFlow, what it is, how it works, and how to set it up. What is Access Control? At its core, Access Control is TrashFlow's way of managing user permissions. It gives business owners and office staff the ability to assign specific access levels to individual users. With TrashFlow's latest update, Access Control is now available to all users. However, it does require some initial setup to get started. Setting up Access Control for the first time. When Access Control is first turned on in TrashFlow, the first person to log in will automatically become the super user. The super user has full access to everything in TrashFlow, including the ability to manage Access Control settings and user accounts. Here's what to expect during the first login. TrashFlow will prompt you for a username. Enter the username you'd like to use. This can be anything you choose. A pop-up will appear confirming the new user and prompting you to create a password. Enter your password twice, and then enter a password hint. Press Enter. A second pop-up will confirm that your password has been updated, and TrashFlow will open. After that initial setup, no one else will be able to log in unless they either use a super user's login credentials or have their own Access Control profile set up. Adding additional users. To add more users, first, navigate to System, Setup, Access Control, and User Accounts. The User Accounts window will show all existing user profiles. From here, you can also change user passwords by selecting Change Password. To add a new user, click Add User. In the Add User window, fill out the following fields: Require password, login ID, initials. Please note, you won't be able to create the account unless initials are provided. The Require Password setting is optional and can be toggled for each user individually. If enabled, the user will be prompted to set a password during their first login. You can also set a minimum password length. We recommend setting it to 5 characters. By default, passwords are set to expire every 30 days, but this can be adjusted as needed. The list of checkbox permissions determines what each user can do within TrashFlow. Selecting Super User will grant full permissions, including the ability to edit their own account. Once a new user is created, the next time they go to log in, TrashFlow will prompt them to set their password, just like the initial super user did. We hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact our tech support at 800-708-8642. We appreciate you taking the time to watch, and most of all, we appreciate you for being a member of the TrashFlow family.